She looked at us right in our eyes and she was like, oh, by the way, शिव तो मेरे बाजू में ही बैठा है. There was no शिव उसके बाजू में. We ate and we gulped the sweet down our throat and then, oh my god, अभी भी when I think about it, it's so scary. I mean, you know guys, मुझे कभी लगा नहीं था कि मेरी लाइफ की सबसे स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट बॉन्ड वुड एंड लाइक दिस, वुड ब्रेक लाइक दिस. आई मीन व्हाट स्टार्टेड एज 4 बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स, 4 pillars being with each other through thick and thin, would end with delusions, threats, comparisons, blames, accusations, and most importantly, kala jadoo. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Sonali. Hope you all are doing well and are also in good health and wealth. Today's video is all about how I lost one of my childhood best friends to a heartbreaking spiral. I mean, she's alive, but the pain of mourning someone who's alive, it's devastating, okay? And the remaining 3 of us, we had to we legit run for our lives. We were so scared for our lives by the end. So let's jump right into the story. We were 4 childhood best friends. Okay, now my name, you know, my name is Sonali, so you can call me S for this story. And the main character जो इस story का है, let's call her K. Okay, and the remaining 2 of my friends, let's call them A and L. Okay, so basically K accused me and A, not L specifically, me and A, for doing kala jadoo on her. Okay, and I will tell you more about that later, but let's start with the story first. Like, obviously even that is a story, but let's just start with from the beginning. So we were childhood best friends. एक ही neighborhood में हम लोग पैदा हुए, तो बचपन से साथ में खेलना कूदना रहता था. And सबकी अलग अलग नेचर थी. लाइक आई वॉज ऑलवेज दिस लाउड हाइपर एक्टिव वन. L and A was somewhere in between, and K was more on the calm side. She was this shy introvert, but she was her true self front of us. Like हमारे साथ मस्ती मजाक करती थी, बकवास करती थी. Like we were these sisters from different mothers. तो हमारे बीच में, चारों के बीच में एक अच्छी बॉन्ड थी बचपन से ही, ठीक है. एंड K का क्या सीन था ना, K का फैमिली थोड़ा टॉक्सिक था. ओके, especially her maternal grandmom and her mom, like both of them were extremely toxic. They were very verbally abusive, and उन लोग K को बहुत नीचा दिखाते थे, ठीक है. हमेशा K को ये सब बोलते थे कि oh you're so skinny, oh your teeth are so big, braces लगाओ, ये करो वो करो, continuously body shame करना. And because she was the quiet one, she was the calmer one, her mother always made her feel like she's the weak person, she's the lesser one. Okay, and इस K की जो sibling थी, she had similar characteristics like her mother. Okay, so the mother's favorite was the younger sibling, but ये जो K थी उसकी favorite नहीं थी, उसकी mom की favorite नहीं थी, ठीक है. and उसकी mom को ना सबसे तकलीफ, ठीक है. like she was one of the most toxic mothers, toxic woman I would say. Okay, and she had issues when K used to come and play with us or talk to any of her school friends, because क्या होता था जब K हमारे साथ रहती थी, जब वो टॉक्सिक हाउसहोल्ड से बाहर आके हमारे साथ मिक्सअप होती थी या बाकी किसी के साथ बात करती थी, she was very happy, she was very lively. but घर पे that was not the scene. घर पे she was always more sad and more depressed. Okay, तो उसकी माँ को अच्छा नहीं लगता था, typical narcissist behavior. Okay, उसकी मॉम को पसंद नहीं आता था कि K खुश हो रही है करके. But with us, she was always open, very chill. But K का कैसा था ना, because she has that introvert nature, वो अपना sadness कभी दिखाती नहीं थी. Now मैं, A and L, हम तीनों कैसे थे, हमें जो भी फील होता था हमने मुंह पे बोलते थे. Like if I'm angry, मैं मुंह पे सुना दूंगी. अगर मुझे बुरा लगा तो मैं मुंह पे बोल दूंगी. मुझे रोना है तो मैं वहीं पे रो लूंगी. And even they too were like that, A and L. But K का ऐसा नहीं था. K कभी अपना sadness दिखाती नहीं थी, तो वो हमेशा सब उसको मन में रखने का बहुत आदत था. And we used to always tell her कि मन में कुछ रखा मत कर, whatever you're feeling just tell us, talk to us. but she never used to tell us, because I think उसके माइंड में ये था कि नहीं यार, अगर मैं ये सब बताऊंगी तो शायद इन लोग मेरे को sympathy देंगे. I don't know what it was, but she never shared stuffs with us. and हम उसके घर पे भी कम ही जाया करते थे, because जब भी हम उसके घर पे जाते थे, her mother was never welcoming. She was always very rude and aggressive, so we used to hate it. तो we used to be like, काय को घर जाने का, बाहर ही खेलते. so this was how our childhood usually was. and then as we grew up, things started changing. Now as we started growing up, obviously हमारी body change होती है, हमारा appearance change होता है and all that. and तभी K की mom ना K को ऐसा बहुत feel करवाती थी कि she doesn't look good and she should be more cautious. like बार बार बोलना कि makeup करो, lipstick डालो, ऐसे कपड़े पहनो, वैसे कपड़े पहनो. तो she started getting more and more conscious, because बचपन से वो बेचारी के दिमाग में डाला गया था कि she doesn't look good and she is the lesser one or the weaker one. तो even when she used to talk to us, तो हमेशा बोलती थी कि हाँ हाँ boys तो तुमको ही देख देखेंगे, मुझे क्यों देखेंगे, एंड वी यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज बी लाइक व्हाई नॉट यार, यू आर सो प्रिटी, क्यों नहीं, यू नो, बट शी नेवर बिलीव्ड दैट, उसको लगता था कि हमने उसका मजाक उड़ा रहे, ओके, एंड दैट जस्ट ग्रू एज वी हिट आवर टीनेज. Then the first thing happened, right? Kay and I, we had crush on the same guy, okay, and we were like teenagers, right? We were like what, like we just finished school, or probably in 10th, or I don't know, 11th or something like that. We both had crush on the same guy, okay, and it was a harmless crush. Like हम दोनों में से किसी को इंटेंट नहीं था कि जाके पटाएंगे, ये करेंगे यार, मतलब पढ़ाई करने का टाइम में क्या जाके पटाएंगे, राइट? तो we used to joke about it, telling कि हाँ 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 हम दोनों पटाएंगे, फिर हम दोनों ना सौतन बनेंगे, like all that जो बकचोदिया बचपन में करते थे ना, वैसा we used to do, okay. And एक बार क्या हो गया, our crush, let's call him V, okay, he got to know that like I have a crush on him. He didn't know that K also has a crush on him, but he got to know that I have a crush on him, and he kind of reciprocated, okay. And I was like on cloud 9, because तुम्हारा first crush है, अगर वो reciprocate कर रहा है, you will obviously feel happy, right? But I was also careful कि यार she shouldn't know, because if she will know, she will think, she will feel bad, okay. But indirectly उसको पता चल गया था. Obviously I did not take it forward, कुछ किया नहीं, कुछ date वेट नहीं हुआ, but K got to know about it, and उसको और ज्यादा बुरा लगा. तो I went and apologized, even though it was not my mistake. मैंने apologize किया क्योंकि मुझे नहीं चाहिए था कि K को ऐसा लगे कि मैं कुछ यहाँ पे you know, I'm trying to steal anything from her, okay. And it's so sad now that I think about it कि एक stories and situations can just pile up and then just add on to your mental health and have that major impact what I'm about to tell you in some time, right? So she was really having that major impact, and then when I told her, I'm like, hey listen, I'm really sorry, she was like, nahi it's okay, obviously you're the prettier one, ऐसे होता है. I'm like, यार pretty का बात कहाँ से आ गया, सुंदर तो हम सब लोग हैं, why to be subjective about beauty, right? Like सब लोग अपने अपने तरीके से सुंदर है, why to say that? But she didn't put too much thoughts on that. She just said कि हाँ हाँ ठीक है, if you want to date him you can date him. I'm like, no, I'm not gonna date him. But then I don't know, उसके बाद उसको थोड़ा बुरा लगा, but she did not completely lose herself on that. Then main scene हुआ, and he was only her only guy best friend, okay. So she was relying on him a lot, like she loved walking with him, hanging out with him and everything, okay. Now Shiv had a crush on one of our friends, A, okay. याद है ना, हम लोग 4 best friends है, me, K, A and L, ठीक है. तो शिव हैड अ क्रश ऑन A, ओके. तो शिव ने आके K को क्या बोला कि यार तुम लोग की जो ग्रुप में A है ना, उसके साथ मेरी सेटिंग लगवा दो, लाइक आई रियली लाइक हर करके. एंड यू नो K वाज अ बिट सैड, बिकॉज आई थिंक किधर ना किधर वो एक बेस्ट फ्रेंड वाला थिंग आता है ना, कि व्हेन कोई तुम्हारा बेस्ट फ्रेंड है बट इफ यू नो ही लाइक समवन एल्स, तुमको थोड़ा जेलसी होता है. दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंड. तो शी केम एंड टोल्ड मी, शी टोल्ड कि यार शिव हैज अ क्रश ऑन A. आई वाज लाइक अपनी A? शी वाज लाइक हाँ हाँ अपनी A ओनली. It's so weird taking just the initial alphabets and all that stuff. तो I was like ठीक है, if he has a crush on her, ask her out, like उसको setting लगा दे. तो she was like ठीक है. एंड देन शिव ने क्या किया, शिव ने आके के को बोला कि एक काम करते हैं, तू मेरा ए के साथ सेटिंग लगा, आई हैव अनदर फ्रेंड, ओके. अब उसके फ्रेंड को क्या बुलाए हम लोग, उसके फ्रेंड को हम बुलाते हैं Ali, let's call him Ali, okay. So Shiv said I have a friend Ali, and Ali, you know, Ali can be set up with you. मतलब suppose, oh God, this is so confusing. Suppose I am Shiv and I'm talking to you. You are K, and मैं K को बोल रहा हूँ कि मेरे को A के साथ सेटिंग करवाओ, बदले में मेरा एक फ्रेंड है Ali, I can set you up with Ali, okay. So K was like ठीक है, set me up, because तभी कैसा रहता है, वो टीनेज वाला फीलिंग रहता है, खून गरम रहता है, you want to date, you want to try out things, you want to flex that I have a boyfriend and everything. So K was like ठीक है. She told Shiv that fine, you set me up with your friend and in return I will set you up with A, okay. अभी सीन क्या है, हमारी जो A है, she was not interested in Shiv. तो उसने क्लियरली स्टार्ट में बोल दिया कि मुझे शिव के साथ फ्रेंडशिप करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट मुझे शिव के साथ रिलेशनशिप में नहीं आना है. तो K was a bit happy inside, okay. तो K ने क्या किया, K was like okay, तेरे को डेट नहीं करना ना, ठीक है, मैं जाके शिव को बोल देती हूँ. तो K ने जाके शिव को बोला कि listen, A is not interested in dating you, but she doesn't mind being friends with you. तो शिव was like अरे यार ऐसा नहीं है, let me पटाओ her. She was like okay fine, you do whatever you want, but she is not interested. And in the meantime K was dating Ali, okay. So K was dating Ali, who is Shiv's friend. I'm saying it again and again ताकि कुछ confusion ना हो. And here A ने शिव को, sorry my camera died यार, memory issue बहुत होते हैं कैमरा में. So हाँ, what I was saying, याद तक तुम लोग समझ गए ना. Sorry मुझे over explain करके repetitive नहीं बनना है, but that's just my habit, I can't help it. तो याद है, समझ गया, right? Ali was dating Apni K, who is the main character of the story, and Shiv was trying to pursue Apni A, okay? And A was like, मुझे नहीं है तेरे में interest, okay? तो ये चार लोग साथ में hang out करते थे, but A was very clear with Shiv कि मेरे को तेरे में interest नहीं है करके, ठीक है? तो चारों साथ में hang out करते थे, and one day A felt कि शिव शायद अभी भी उसको chase कर रहा है, तो उसने शिव को clearly बोल दिया कि एक काम कर, तू let's not talk further because I think तू अभी भी वो दिमाग में लेके बैठा है कि you will date me someday and I'm not interested in you, so I'm going to end this friendship right away, ठीक है? And at the same time अपनी के ने भी अली के साथ रिलेशनशिप एंड कर दिया बिकॉज शी फेल्ट अली वाज वर्बली अब्यूजिव, ओके? तो चारों का टाका कट गया, बट शिव एंड के वाज स्टिल बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स, रिमेंबर दैट, ओके? सो दे शुड स्टिल हैंग आउट एंड डीप डाउन के वाज रियली हैप्पी दैट ए डिड नॉट से यस टू शिव, ओके? So she started like, you know, making Shiv understand ki don't worry, don't be sad that she rejected you, there are like better girls out there, I'm there for you as a friend, etc, etc, okay? And Shiv was like this typical guy who used to date girls and change girls like clothes, okay? तो हर एक हफ्ते में नई नई लड़की को पटा जाता है, and I think that's what A sensed, and इसके लिए A ने clearly बोल दिया कि भाई मेरे को तेरे को नहीं डेट करना है, that's my friend, okay? So anyway, that happened, and then Shiv and K, they started hanging out a lot, like a lot, okay? And K at this point in her life, K always had this feeling that no guy wants to date her because whichever guy she had a crush on, whoever she spoke to, flirted with, they never reverted, okay? And she felt the problem is her because already her mother was feeding that toxicity and insecurity shit in her head that, you know, तू अच्छी नहीं दिखती, तू बहुत ही ugly दिखती है, तेरे दांत ऐसे, तेरा skin ऐसा है, तेरा body ऐसा है. So she felt that okay, I am not pretty, I am ugly, and that's why nobody is accepting me, okay? But abhi kya scene ho gaya, she already had a soft corner for Shiv, and Shiv and A did not date, so low-key she was very happy. And now because Shiv was spending more time with her, she thought maybe one day Shiv will fall for her, okay? And then because they used to spend a lot of time together, one day eventually something happened between them, you know what I'm talking about, okay? And I remember uske baad the next day only she told me this happened, and she was very happy about it, and she was on constantly telling us, you know, that oh, like, you know, finally a guy is interested in me, he did this to me, that to me. And we all three of us, me, A and L, we all three were very concerned. हम लोग बोले कि बहन देख, we are happy for you, but remember he was legit chasing A for a year, and because she did not tell him yes, he is now hooking up with you. Like ऐसा भी नहीं कि he moved on from her and then he took that gap and then you guys had a thing. He instantly hooked up with you. The minute she rejected, he hooked up with you. So that says a lot about his character, and I think you deserve better. You deserve a guy who loves you, not your body, and who does not see you as his time pass hookup material. But K offend हो गई यहाँ पे, and for some reason ना we saw a bit of rage in her that day for the very first time. Major rage उसका बाद में दिखा. I will tell you जब उसने हम पे ब्लेम वेम सब किया ना तभी दिखा, बट वो दिन ना बहुत थोड़ा बहुत रेज दिखा. शी वाज लाइक व्हाट डू यू गाइस मीन, नो मतलब कोई लड़का मेरे साथ करना नहीं चाहेगा क्या? एंड आई एम लाइक व्हाई आर यू श्रिंकिंग योरसेल्फ डाउन ओनली टू दैट वन थिंग कि अ गाय शुड जस्ट कम एंड हैव सेक्स विद यू? दैट्स नॉट इट, देयर शुड बी मोर टू इट. शी लाइक नो, यू गाइस आर जस्ट जेलस. एंड देन वो ए पे भड़क गई, बोली कि यू आर जस्ट जेलस दैट यू रिजेक्टेड हिम एंड नाउ यू रियलाइज कि वो कितना अच्छा लड़का है, अभी उसने मेरे साथ हुकअप किया तो तू जेलस है करके. एंड ए वाज लाइक नो, आई एम नॉट, एब्सोल्युटली नॉट, आई एम नॉट जेलस, आई एम जस्ट लुकिंग आउट फॉर you because he keeps dating different girls. I've heard about it and that's the main reason I rejected him, and now you are like hooking up with him. मुझे ठीक नहीं लग रहा है. And हम तीनों ने वो concern दिखाया. L ने भी बोला, मैंने भी बोला, A ने बोला, but K was not ready to listen. K was like नहीं, तुम लोग बस जलते हो मुझसे, this that, and she just stopped talking to us, okay? We gave her some time to cool down and everything, and then we again messaged her, and then one day she messaged me and she told me that listen, I need to talk to you. So I was like ठीक है, let's meet. Then we met, and she told me that listen, Shiv ने मुझे clearly बोल दिया that he has no feelings for me. Whatever happened was in the heat of the moment, and he doesn't want to get into a relationship with me. मुझे इतना मन किया उसको बोलने का कि I told you so, I saw that coming, but I didn't want to be that negative person, so I was just being a good listener. तो मैंने उसको बोला कि you know, that's what I was talking to you about, but ठीक है, let that go, let's move on. But the thing was ना, K finally thought like उसका mind में she thought that she is not pretty and because finally a guy gave her attention just for a body, उसको दिमाग में ऐसा फील हो कि यार finally someone is into me and अभी वो भी चला गया, तो उसको उसका first heartbreak experience हुआ and everybody knows right, whoever is watching this video, आप सबको पता है कि first heartbreak कैसा फील होता है, तो she felt devastated, she felt like oh my god इन लोग like हाँ, मतलब ऐसे कैसे हो गया मेरे साथ, you know, like I told everyone about him, I thought he's going to be my boyfriend and everything and like he broke my heart, you know. So she was shattered, like completely shattered and she didn't know what to do and we were there to console her, to guide her, but more than me she was more pissed at A because किधर ना किधर उसके माइंड में ये था कि you know, Shiv was into A and because he could not get A, he came behind me. अभी उसको realization hit हुआ, तो she was getting more irritated seeing her. But I was the neutral one, so I used to defend A also. But because मैं भी A को defend करने लग गई, K got more mad at me कि why are you defending A? I'm like because she is also a best friend. We four are like best friends, and because of a guy you can't get mad at A. Then again कुछ दिन गया and then you know she just stopped talking to us. हम लोग जो भी plan बनाते थे वो आती नहीं थी, हम लोग उसको कुछ बुलाते थे तो she used to be like नहीं मुझे नहीं आना. We used to go to a house तो bell off करके बैठती थी, तो we really started getting concerned कि भाई what happened. We were really worried that the breakup has taken a toll on her. And then one final day we again reached out to her. We went to a house. Her mom opened the door and her mom being a mom she was like तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो इधर, काहे को आए हो? And her mom like you should treat us like all her friends, not just us like trash. Okay, like we were never welcomed at a house. So she was like तुम लोग यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हो, क्यों आए हो? And we were like नहीं आंटी, वो कब से फोन वोन भी नहीं उठा रही, रीच आउट भी नहीं करे, तुम लोग को पता है क्या एक महीने से क्या हो गया है, तुम लोग ही उसको तकलीफ दी, इसके लिए ऐसा हो रहा है. तो वी वर लाइक नो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, लाइक जस्ट टेल अस. सो वी वर लाइक कैन वी प्लीज मीट हर, लाइक कैन वी प्लीज मीट हर. एंड शी वाज लाइक नो नीड टू मीट हर. एंड वी वर लाइक नो प्लीज जस्ट लेट अस टॉक टू हर because we really want to talk to her. Then she was like okay fine, I'm going to call her. And then auntie called K, okay, and guys K looked very different, like it legit looked like she's sad, like इतनी depressed होना, like when a person is depressed at times नहीं मालूम पड़ता है, but इधर बहुत evident था. You know उसका face से लेके उसका body, it really looked like she is not doing okay, and we felt really bad seeing her in that condition. So we were like बहन क्या हो गया, like talk to us, what is this and all. And then suddenly auntie आती है and हमें sweets देती है, she's like sweets है खा लो. So we felt a bit suspicious here. We were like, this woman, she has never offered us a glass of water. How come she's giving us sweets all of a sudden? So we were like, okay, fine, हम लोग खाते हैं. We ate and we gulped the sweet down our throat and then oh my god, अभी भी when I think about it, it's so scary. I mean तुम लोगों को भी सुन के उतना scary नहीं लगता होगा, but it was really scary. She was like, मैंने के को पंडित जी को दिखाया और पंडित जी बोल रहे हैं कि इसके जो क्लोज फ्रेंड्स है ना इस पे काला जादू किए. एंड वी जस्ट लुक्ड एट के कि व्हाट, एंड के इज लाइक हाँ इन लोग ने काला जादू किए, लाइक लेजिट. वी वर नम, वी वर लाइक ब्रो व्हाट द हेल. एंड देन her mother, she had the creepiest smile. She looked at us and she was like, ये जो तुम लोगों ने स्वीट्स खाया है ना, ये पंडित जी का प्रसाद है. अगर तुम लोग ने काला जादू किया है, अगर कंफर्म है तो तुम लोग का पेट दुखेगा, तुम लोग का तबीयत बिगड़ेगा, बट अगर तुम लोगों ने कुछ नहीं किया ना, कुछ नहीं होगा तुम लोग को. We have gulped the sweets down our throat. What the fuck are you talking about? Are you telling us that there is a probability that we might fall sick after eating this? Like how can you do it? You're legit feeding poison to someone. And we were like, आंटी आप क्या बात कर रहे हो, लाइक आप थोड़ा सोच के बात करो. एंड शी गॉट वेरी अग्रेसिव, चुप एकदम चुप, तुम लोग ने मेरी बेटी का जिंदगी खराब कर दिया, तुम लोग को हीरोइन बनने का रहता है, सब लड़का लोग भी तुम लोग को ही चाहिए, फिर मेरी बेटी को कोई लड़का ये नहीं करता है. आई एम लाइक आप सुन भी रहे हो, आप क्या बोल रहे हो, ऐसा नहीं है, हमने ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया है. वो जिसको डेट कर रही थी, वो जिसके साथ भी जो भी किए, दैट गाय इज नॉट गुड, सो वी वर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू हेल्प हर आउट. नहीं बट क्यों, मेरी बेटी को फाइनली कोई लड़का देखा तो, वरना उसको तो कोई, मतलब हर सेंटेंस वाज, वरना उसको तो कोई भिखारी भी नहीं दिखता. हाउ कैन यू talk about your daughter like this, man, like are you crazy? And we were like नहीं आंटी ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. And she was blaming us. हमारे दिमाग में पहले हमारी गांड फट चुकी थी कि we ate something which can like fuck our health, and this woman is blaming us for black magic. And then के हम लोग को देख के बोलती है हम लोग का जब न्यू ईयर पार्टी था, हम लोग का ये ट्रेडिशन था, एवरी ईयर वी यूज्ड टू डू न्यू ईयर पार्टी। तो के हम तीनों की तरफ देख के बोलती है, हमारा जो न्यू ईयर पार्टी था, तुम लोग ही खाना वाना बना रहे थे। शी लुक्ड एट मी एंड ए स्पेसिफिकली, आई डोंट नो एल को क्यों नहीं, बट मुझे एंड ए को देख के बोला, वाई? बिकॉज शी वॉज ऑलरेडी मैड एट ए फॉर दैट शिव वाला थिंग, एंड शी वॉज मैड एट मी फॉर डिफेंडिंग ए, राइट? तो शी वॉज लाइक, मेरे को पता है न्यू ईयर का पार्टी में तुम लोग ने ड्रिंक्स एंड तुम लोग ने फूड में कुछ तो डाल के दिया है। एंड वी वर लाइक, व्हाट आर यू सेइंग? डू यू एवर हैव एनी प्रूफ? नहीं नहीं, तुम लोग खाना बना रहे थे, वो खाने के बाद ही मेरा हालत डाउन हो गया। एंड योर हर मॉम इज क्राइंग, शी इज, यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग हाउ सीरियस दिस ब्लेम इज? लाइक शी इज लेजिट क्राइंग। वी लिव इन अ fucking building, like people can hear shit, okay? and simple है यार, मैं और ए हम दोनों शक्ल से भी हरामी दिखते तो पब्लिक इजीली बिलीव भी कर लेगा कि इन लोग जाके काला जादू करके आए होंगे करके। एंड शी इज क्राइंग, शी, उन्होंने मेरी बेटी का जिंदगी बर्बाद किया, उसको कोई लड़का भी घास नहीं डालता है, अभी तो कोई डालेगा भी नहीं, देख कैसी दिख रही है। एंड इवन व्हेन शी इज क्राइंग ना, शी इज लाइक इंसल्टिंग हर डॉटर, ओके? एंड वी जस्ट लुक्ड एट की एंड वी वर लाइक, ब्रो व्हाट आर यू टॉकिंग अबाउट? जस्ट से समथिंग। शी इज लाइक, नहीं नहीं, तुमने मुझे कुछ मिला के दिया है। After that, we just sat with her. We were like, just calm down. Her mother did not even let us touch her. She was like, get out of my house. And she just pushed us. We were like, oh my god, what the hell happened? We wanted to tell our parents, but then क्या होता, पेरेंट्स के बीच में बसड़ होता, एंड वी डिडंट वांट टू स्ट्रेस आवर पेरेंट्स आउट। वी वर लाइक, दिस इज आवर बैटल, वी आर गोना फाइट इट, ओके? एंड उसके बाद हम लोग कुछ टाइम के लिए शांत थे। वी थॉट, यू नो व्हाट, मैटर को थोड़ा कूल डाउन होने दे। तो वी ट्राइड एंड वन डे फाइनली शी वाज लाइक, ओके फाइन, कम टू मीट, माय मॉम इज नॉट देयर। सो वी वेंट टू मीट हर, ओके? एंड अगेन शी वाज बिहेविंग वेरी वियर्ड। शी वाज लाइक गिविंग दैट वियर्ड स्मर्क स्माइल। शी वाज लाइक, हाँ हाँ, आ जाओ, अच्छा। We are like, where is our best friend, yaar? We really wanted to cry because this is not our best friend. This is someone else. This is not our best friend. Why would our best friend talk like that, right? तो we were like, okay, like talk to us, like what is happening? She was like, नहीं, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, ऐसा। And then अचानक से guys, what she said, I mean, उसने जो बोला, हम तीनों की गांड फट गई। She looked at us right in our eyes and she was like, oh by the way, शिव तो मेरे बाजू में ही बैठा है। There was no शिव उसके बाजू में। She's telling me, अरे शिव तो इधर ही बैठा है। Like suppose I am K and I'm talking to my 3 friends. I am saying, अरे शिव तो इधर ही बैठा है, शिव इधर ही है, see, he's hugging me, he's tickling me. At that point we didn't understand if she's like joking with us or what. So we just looked at her and we were like, K, यहाँ पे कोई शिव नहीं है। She like, अगेन तुम लोग जल रहे हो यार मुझसे, मैंने तुम लोग को माफ कर दिया काला जादू के लिए, देखो शिव है इधर। And she was not our friend anymore. She was some different person only. It felt like, I don't know if what I'm saying is making sense. You guys might even laugh at it. But I swear to God, ऐसा फील हो कि कोई और एंटिटी ने उसको possess कर ली है, because she doesn't talk like that. And she was like, देखो, he's tickling me, ऐसा। And we were like, we looked at and we were like, there is no Shiv. And then उसका जो रेज, मैंने बोला कि उसका 2 बार रेज दिखा, the second time it was bad, वो हम लोग ऐसा बड़ा आँख करके देखे। She was like, तुम लोग जलते हो मेरे से, मैं तुम लोग को मार डालूंगी। And we 3 were like, Okay, darling, we love you, just calm down. She was like, क्यों नहीं दिख रहा है तुम लोग को? वो इधर ही है, वो मेरे साथ ही सोता है, हम साथ में ब्रश करते हैं, हम साथ में नहाते हैं, हम साथ में बैठ के टीवी देखते हैं। He's here only, but Shiv is not here. Who is she hallucinating? I'm like, then we were like, I just looked at my 2 friends and I was like, do not tell her anything right now. She is getting angry. Just agree with her. So we started agreeing with her. We were like, हाँ, sorry, हम लोग को दिखा नहीं, अभी हम लोग को दिख रहा है। And she was like, हाँ, अभी दिख रहा है ना, हाँ, she is there. And then she was laughing, okay. And then she's telling me, then ऐसा ना उसने फोन दिखा, मेरे को बोलती है, सोनाली सीना, मेरे को इतने सारे लड़के लोग ने मैसेज किया है, डीएम्स किया है। एंड आई वाज लाइक, ओके दिखा। एंड वो जो भी डीएम्स थे, वो जो भी अकाउंट्स था, वो मेरे को वो मैसेजेस का स्टाइल देख के समझ में आ रहा था कि इसने ही खुद अकाउंट बनाया फेक एंड शी इज मैसेजिंग हरसेल्फ, बट आई वाज नॉट श्योर। सो आई डिड नो दैट शी हैज अ स्पेयर फोन इन हर बेडरूम, क्योंकि वो उधर ही रखती है। तो मैंने एल को बोला, जाके देख वो स्पेयर फोन है क्या। L went and L saw the phone and everything and she was like, हाँ भाई, उसने like legit 5-6 fake accounts बनाया आदमी लड़कों के नाम पे, and she is like messaging herself, all these romantic messages, all these thirst trap messages, वो खुद को भेज रही है। So we were like, अभी हम उसको इस चीज के लिए कॉल आउट करेंगे, अगेन शी विल गेट मैड. सो वी जस्ट लुक्ड एट एंड वी वर लाइक, के ये तुझे कौन मैसेज कर रहा है? अरे यही सब हमारे एरिया वाले यार, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था कि मेरे इतने चाहने वाले हैं. बचपन से लेके अभी तक मुझे ये लगता था कि नोबडी लाइक्स मी, नोबडी लव्स मी, बट नाउ आई गॉट टू नो कि so many guys are into me. Like fuck, this is so good, I'm like desired. And that's when I was like, oh my god, like बचपन से इसके माइंड में इतना ज्यादा घुसा दिया गया है ये चीज कि you're not pretty enough, you're not beautiful enough, that she started depending on male validation. And because she did not meet the right guy who would appreciate and like worship the floor she walks on, she started creating fake scenarios. Oh my god. So I was like, you know what, she needs to get to therapy. Okay, उसकी बहन से बात करके कुछ फायदा नहीं था क्योंकि उसकी बहन भी उसकी माँ की जैसी है. So we were like, we will take her to therapy. Okay, we will take this thing on her. बाहर अभी I think थोड़ा मशीन का ये चल रहा है, थोड़ा आवाज आएगा, so just bear with me. Okay, so we were like, we will take you, don't worry. She was like, no 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 no, मुझे नहीं जाने का है, मैं क्यों जाऊँ, मेरे को नहीं जाने का है. We were like, listen, you need help, we are here, but we can't give you professional help. Trust me, we just have to go and you will get all the help you need, I promise. And she got so angry. She was like, मेरे हाथ में जो रॉड, like वहाँ पे एक रॉड था, मैं वो रॉड से मारूंगी and these entities and these souls will help me. And at this point was like, what are you seeing, like just tell her. She like, no, I don't want to tell her. उस समय भगा दिया. Okay, and after that we again tried to reach her out and everything, but she did not revert. She blocked us on everything. She blocked us on WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, everything. उसके घर पे जाते थे उसको बेल ऑफ रखती थी, वो डोर खोलती नहीं थी. उसकी मॉम अंदर से चिल्लाती थी कि हम लोग को अकेला छोड़ दो वरना हम लोग पुलिस कंप्लेन करेंगे. एंड देन आई वाज लाइक, यू नो व्हाट, पुलिस तक ये बात जा रहा है तो आई रियली डोंट थिंक सो वी शुड like get involved, because I was really scared. What if she does something to herself and then she blames us and then something happens to us? What if police आके हम लोग को उठा के लेके गया based on what she does to herself? So then we all three decided, you know what, we will give her time, we will give her some breather. Hopefully she'll feel better, hopefully she'll seek therapy and then she'll come back to us. Okay, and then we gave her a month or two. We did not disturb her, we did not message her or anything like that. So then I told my parents everything. My friends, they also told their parents everything. And then our parents, they were really sad because they were like, यार तुम लोग की best friend है वो. But obviously us going anywhere near her would invite problems to me, my family, to my friends and their family. So we were like, you know what, we are gonna stay far for a while. We are going to let her calm down, let her seek therapy, let her seek all the professional help as she can. If needed, we will come in a heartbeat if she calls us, but right now she doesn't want us, so we will give her time. And then we give her 2 months and then मुझे मालूम पड़ा कि she shifted. She just left. She left like nothing was here. They shifted somewhere apparently. They didn't even tell us where. And imagine growing up in a locality, spending your entire childhood there, playing, दुकान से जाके पानी खाना, कुछ पानी पूरी खाना. Like there are so many memories, and there are people attached to that memories. And she just left like that, and till date I don't know where she is. Like we tried finding her everywhere, we tried reaching out to her cousins. Then one of her cousin, he was kind enough to reply and he said that, you know what, she tried clearing her exams but she could not clear her exams because of her situation. She is seeking therapy but it's not helping. Her mother is also not being cooperative. Her mother is trying to marry her off and everything, but I think 2 बार उसका कुछ रिश्ता fix हो गया and then she kind of panicked and said no or something like that. It's sad that her mom is now trying to marry her off. Like, at least help your child first, help her heal, and if you can't fucking heal your child, give her to us. She's our sister, we'll do that for her. But now we don't even know where she is. But yeah, she's not doing good. I feel, I really hope she's doing better. Like last I saw her I did not see her directly, but I saw a video of her dancing at her cousin's wedding. She was not looking happy. She's, again, her body, her face, like it's very evident that she's not doing fine, but I really hope she heals one day. And we love her, all three of us love her. Like we have a group chat, and till date the DP is a picture of all 4 of us, even though she's not there in the group. We tried reaching her out so many times, किधर भी नहीं है available, सब जगह से block कर दिया उसने हम लोग को. We tried messaging her from one of our friends ID also, but for a friend का ID भी block कर दिया उसने. So it's really sad. It's like, as I said in the start of the video, it's like I'm mourning someone who's alive, mourning someone who's still there in this world. And I hope she lives a long and a happy life. I hope she heals. But it's just that a part of us is gone now, like we 4 were like the unbreakable. And now all of a sudden it's just the 3 of us. Every time we 3 meet, we always talk about her. That's how special she is. But that's See, the thing is, since childhood, it's very important to love, care for people, not bully them, not shame them, because you never know what kind of impact it will have on their mental health. So, yeah, I mean, I don't think I can say anything further. I already spoke a lot, I feel. If you're going through something like that, or if you have friends who are going through something like that, just be there for them. Seek out professional help, ask them to do therapy, anything that will make them feel better, because it's better late than never, right? If it is detected early, and if then there is proper help provided, people can definitely do better with time. That's what I feel. So yeah, that's how our friend kind of accused us of doing Kala Jadoo on her, and then just like that, she disappeared from our life out of nowhere. And we love her, we miss her, we would do anything to be friends with her again. But I know she's not here anymore. So, yeah, that's about it for today's video, guys. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you have something similar to share, stories of situations you have been in or your friends have been in. How did you help each other out? Just let me know in the comments. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.